Hello everyone, this is NEET Physics Basic by Master Prashant. Last class we discussed about the measurements and units, and we see the introduction of measurements and units. Now we are going to see the physical quantities and units. Now what is a physical quantity? We studied about the physical quantities of length, length and speed, many other temperature and many other. Now we are going to see the what is Q. What is the formula of Q? The physical quantity is called as, now we take as Q. The physical quantity Q is equal to N times of U, N into U. Now N, what is the N here? Q is the physical quantity and the N is a magnitude of the physical quantity, and mu is the unit. If we have length, it's a meter. If we have any other temperature, it is Kelvin. So the physical quantity is described as N into Nu, where N is the magnitude of the physical quantity and U is the unit or SI unit. We saw the physical quantity is equal to Nu, that is magnitude of the physical quantity and the unit. Now for same quantity can be expressed in different sets of units, such that length can be expressed in meter as well as foot. There are two different sets of units. So we take Q, that is Q is equal to N1 U1. It means that N1 is the first magnitude of the first quantity, that is meter, that is first unit, that is U1. Now this same Q and Q same, now the Q is same and the U2 measures N2, U2 measures N2, since Q is the same. Now here changing is the magnitude is changing and the unit is also changing. So U2 and N2. See, now the Q is same in two equation. So we took that N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. From this we compare and get the N2 form, N2 and the U1 values when we are comparing this statement. We see many physical quantities. There is a large number of physical quantities. Example, we have length is a physical quantity, area is a physical quantity, volume is a physical quantity, speed, acceleration, mass, force and time. Now we refuse only a few quantities which are independent and other dependent or other quantities are expressed in terms of these independent quantities. What is this? We refuse only these quantities. These are independent quantities. That is length is independent quantities. It has meter, and other dependent quantities are expressed in terms of these independent quantities, such as area is the square of length, and speed is the length per time. These are dependent on the independent quantity, so they are called as dependent quantities. Now these independent quantities are called as fundamental quantities because they are the fundamental, and other quantities are derived units. They are called as derived units because they are derived from the fundamental quantities. So this is called as fundamental and derived units. Now derived quantities are obtained by the multiplication or division of powers of fundamental quantities, such that we have same example as a length and area. Area is the power of length, and the speed. So we have speed is the length per time. length per time. These are the derived units, and length is the fundamental quantities. This is about the quantities and units. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. See the end screen.